Alright everybody, this is going to be a unboxing and initial first opinion of one of my newest Steiner products. Recently I bought the DBAL i2. This is the IR and visible green laser model 9003. I've already done unboxing reviews, first impressions of these three other devices. But most likely I'm going to put the Mark III, R1X, and DBAL on my SBR. Try to keep it uniform with one brand of product. So the DBAL, if you didn't know, is a device that stands for dual beam aiming laser. It has a IR laser and green laser, or red laser depending on which model you get. It's supposed to be used in unison with a night vision device, so you'll be able to see the IR laser and aim when the situation rises. For this one, it is 8 ounces, made of aircraft grade aluminum. It is waterproof up to a certain depth. Takes one CR123A battery, and let's see what comes in it. So this is the first one that actually has some other information in it. The other stuff didn't have an instruction booklet. Have a I-turn notice and a whole bunch of info. Warranty info, and you have the products right here itself. It comes with the battery just like the rest of them. One CR123A battery. Comes with a pressure pad that is angled at 90 degrees, and the Velcro has adhesive on it to mount it on a rail. And here is the DBAL itself. It is made of aircraft grade aluminum, comes standard with a QD mount. You have 2 screws right here where you are able to adjust the tension. There are aftermarket mounts for this. On the rear you have the port where the pressure pad hooks in, and the selectable settings. 2 low ones are for the visible laser, and the 2 in the up position are for the IR laser. You have 2 sets of adjustment turrets for the visible and IR laser. They are not slaved together, so you have to adjust each one individually. Here's the visible laser, the IR laser. Both of them come with bikini caps. And the battery compartment comes connected with a rubber strap, so you will not lose it if you have to change batteries in the field. Right here it marks clearly how the battery goes in. And screws on nicely in the O-ring sealed compartment. So let's try out the IR laser. For low, 1 click up, and the fire button is right here. Probably won't show up on camera. Usually you get a red or purple. Light, or wait, see it right there for a quick second. There it is. So same with the other devices. A single press is momentary. Double tap is going to be constant on. And for the visible, switch it to low, remove the bikini cap, and there's your laser. 1 press, single press, momentary, double tap, it's constant on. So this is a kind of, more so a toy for me. I don't even have night vision yet, but I plan to get some eventually, so this is going to be the first step into getting that. No idea what I'm going to select, but I'm happy I got this one. Wasn't going to shell out more money for a A3 or something like that. They're different, more expensive premium aiming devices. This right here is enough for me for right now, but I'll throw it on a rifle, use a green laser, see how it does in daytime, and also pair it up with these other ones, see how they compare with other optics and lights that I have out there. Just look forward to more in-depth reviews for all these Steiner products down the road.